Hey everyone, welcome back to Hydroculture, where we talk about the latest and greatest in the world of wheels. Today we're diving into the world of electric dreams with the BYD Seal. And trust me, it's more than just a pretty chassis. So, buckle up, charge up your batteries, and let's get rolling. The BYD Seal is the new kid on the block, and it's making waves faster than a dolphin at SeaWorld. This electric sports saloon from BYD, which stands for Build Your Dreams, not Bring Your Dog, is the third EV from the Chinese giant to hit the UK shores. And it's got more tech than a Silicon Valley startup. You know, BYD started as a battery company, which explains why their cars have such electrifying personalities. The Seal comes with an 82.5 kilowatt battery, offering a range that would make marathon runners jealous. We're talking 354 miles on a single charge. And with a 0062 mAh for time, that's quicker than my last diet, 5.9 seconds, it's no slouch. With looks that could kill, the Seal has a design that's as smooth as a dolphin's. Well, you know, it's got curves in all the right places and a drag coefficient that would make a supermodel envious. And if you opt for the AWD version, you get a 3.8 badge on the boot, because nothing says I'm fast like a badge, right? It's like wearing a shirt that says I lift to the gym. The build quality is so good, you'd think it was made by a team of robots who also do yoga on the side. It's that flexible and solid. Inside, it's like stepping into the future if the future was a lounge that moved. The infotainment system has more options than my last visit to the Cheesecake Factory, and the interior quality is top-notch. But be warned, the touch screen can be as confusing as trying to understand a teenager. Lots of swiping, and you're not sure if you're getting anywhere. All right, folks, that's a wrap on the BYD Seal. It's smart, it's sleek, and it's electric, literally. If you enjoyed this review and want to keep riding the electric wave, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring that bell faster than you can say zero emissions. Catch you in the next one.